this. So I just want to test out the new I don't know if it's new, but there's this kind of, let's say, hack or bypass that is being used in Windows 11 so to skip all those processes. So there's a bypass for you. So on a virtual machine, I don't have Windows 11. So let's start the installation. Okay, so I click next, and I say install Windows 11 next. 11 looking for a product key, so I don't have a product key. Just getting everything started. Right? According to what they said, you want to press on Shift F10. Yeah, so let's go with Windows 11 Pro. Next. Okay. You can read all this. So accept. Okay, searching for this. Okay, found this. Why? You're not able to use your PC. Yeah, install. Okay, so it's installing. Okay, right, yeah. So I think you press Shift F10. Naturally, there's a lot of ways to do this on that path. Well, first press your Shift F10, obviously. Now you see we already have command prompt. Now the first one to do it, that's the easy one. You just type ms if I'm correct, ms cxh, then you put a column, then write localhost. The other way to do it is to type regedit. Sorry, let's try that again. Regedit, that's obviously you should know is to access the registry editor, right? So we come to H key local, come here, move down over to software. Yeah, do it again. Now look for Microsoft. Again, look for Windows. Let's scroll. Just look for Windows. Okay, so as you can see Windows. Then when you look for current version. So I think the current version, right? Yeah, so you click on it. You look for OOBE. So that's it. Shit. Nice. This is it. So all you have to do is click on new, right? Click on new. Then look for D word. Then we type bypass space. Is there a space? Okay, I think there's a space from correct. Oh, no space. Sorry, no space. Yeah, no space. No space. Okay, you click OK. Then we double click and set the validator to 1. And then you restart. You bypass it. The other way is to do this again. Click on new, still under D word. Now right, hide online. Is this for educational purposes? I think they said they have I can't put that that they did this, but let's see if they've actually done that. Okay, so click 1. Now obviously I'm not going to follow this method because this involves me restarting the system and I don't want to do that. But if what I want to do now doesn't work, then I guess you have to restart. But let me close this first. So what I actually want to do is to type start ms, then tac chx sorry, a colon, then I'll write my localhost. Spelling that correctly. Enter, and boom, we have bypassed it. So we don't need to use data to all those complex processes. Because I remember last year when I was installing Windows 11, and I had to sleep through the whole process. It was really weird. Yeah, I used data throughout the whole stage, but with this, man, it was keeping it up. You are keeping it up. Just enter Don't worry, that's the boxes I ate for all my required. Wow. Okay, my childhood nickname. What should I write here? Oh my god. I'll write something random. First pet name. Do I have? That's a parrot. That's animals. Okay. My oldest cousin. Obviously. Okay, when this city did the up, I retried them. No, obviously. Don't worry. If you see any, if you want to have my account and you see any of this, don't worry. These are the security questions. You can use it. Okay, enter. What is the enter? Okay. For some reason, I can't find it. Let me this full screen. Okay, done. So just a moment. Just a moment. Can you see this? We have bypassed the Windows 11. This is really mind blowing. And because if I've known this last year, it would have saved me a lot of time. Whoa, this might take a few minutes. Please not on. Okay, says almost there, and now just to do this. Okay, so I click no. I don't know when I'm going to click on location. Try my device. Now, I can turn this on if you want, but I'm not turning it on. Required only. What's the first one? Include optionals. No, required only. Improve ink. No, doesn't need to be saying no to all this. Most times, if I'm installing this, I always put no. I always click no. Okay. For advertising, obviously, no. I like my privacy, even though Microsoft doesn't give you that much. We've successfully installed Windows 11. So basically, that's just the simple bypass. Actually, I saw an article saying Windows fixed this or something, but obviously you can see it's still working perfectly. There are 3 or 4 methods of doing. I showed it to using registry editor where you show you those 2 output. Actually, you only need 1. I was only showing you those 2 as an example. If one doesn't work, the second one works. If the second one doesn't work, then the third one, which I did, start ms cxh, should work. And basically, as you can see, it's working perfectly, even though it might be a little slow because this obviously is virtual. I'm running on VirtualBox. But as you can see, let's click on the settings or so. I'll be a little slow, but I need light on it. No, not this dark one. As you can see, VirtualBox. You don't want VirtualBox. I need to activate. Obviously, there's a way to activate Windows too, but no, I'm not really talking about that. So thank you guys for watching this short. I don't know, video. Until next time.